Okay, so when my friend Linda was here in March, she gave us that demonstration on how to create more grapevines without having to spend money. And we are going to discover whether they grew inside this hosta pot. Wow, is that a gorgeous plant? And it's about to bloom. Now, somewhere along the side, and the reason you put them in that way, the way they're in, is when you pull them out, it won't break the buds off. Okay, this is what we have. Roots on one of the stems, and I don't see much else going on, although there might be some buds in here. I'm gonna have to confer with my friend Linda before moving forward. Hey everybody, Kaye here on the homestead. And you know, when you have really hot days and you can't work between say 11 a.m. and 6:30 p.m., I mean, it just keeps getting hotter. It was 90 until 7 p.m. So come along with me, let's do a few chores at sunset. Okay, I think I've figured out what is wrong with this elderberry, and it's verticulum wilt. There's no cure. You need to destroy the whole plant, and so that's what I have to do. And fortunately the other two don't look sick. So I'm going to do something radical here. So all the leaves are curled up like that. The flower pods are not developing, and then the leaves look nasty. It gets in the roots, so the whole thing has to come out. Okay, I just wanted to show you these beauties in bloom. Just gorgeous. Now that's the good news. But I've got spots on these leaves, and I've also got some wilt I saw it down here somewhere. That does not look good. Yeah, that does not look good. I'd be happy if that was just a pest that I could spray away, but I don't know. Yeah, these leaves don't look so good. Like maybe it's starting, I don't know. Well, maybe we'll get some berries out of it and then cut it all back and see what happens. I don't know. The blooms are beautiful. Check out that forest that sprang up beside the dogwoods. I need to get my weed whacker down here. Do you see what I see? I see some activity on this tree. They don't look like flowers, they look like little berries. Since it may rain in the morning, I have to gather up some biochar, charcoal, and some ashes for my garden, because after it rains it won't be so good. I've heard people talk about the benefits of biochar in their garden, but I've never tested it. And I had seen this video when I was contemplating burning the big burn pile, and this guy had done this smoldering fire, and he had done it in a certain way to actually create biochar. But I think I've got plenty in here. I'm going to fill up this garbage can, I know that. See, I can use some of this stuff to start my fires with next winter. And all these small pieces of like charcoal I can put in my garden, as well as the ash. Almost ran off and forgot you. So thanks so much for watching my channel and following my journey here. I hope it inspires you. Please subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, scroll down and click all so you won't miss anything right here on the homestead. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.